Hi, my name is Sarkis Kazarian, and we're here at the Manta Factory in Pasadena, California.
My name is Evelina.
We're at
I'm
the
nervous. Hello.
Hello.
I can't.
Manta is a Middle Eastern European specialty dish. It's a boat-shaped dumpling, which consists of just dough that's rolled out, cut into little squares, a piece of ground beef put into each square. Everything that we make every day is made from scratch, it's made fresh. I put the meat and she pinches, and then as soon as I'm done putting all the meats, I pop in and I start pinching while she starts lining them up in the tray. When the dough is cooked to a crisp, the beef gets nice and juicy. Every single day we prepare about 10,000 pieces of Manta, all by hand.
All by hand. We've been eating Manta in our home all the time since I grew up. We started this business 14 years ago.
It was wholesale. I took over 4.5 years ago and opened it to the public.
That was Jack's idea, to open the doors to the public. He was saying, Mom, you know what? This is very good food. I want all the generations know about this.
90% of the diaspora are familiar with the dish itself, whether it's one style or another. A lot of people like it just plain to eat it like a finger food. A lot of people like it plain with just the yogurt sauce. But here at the Manta Factory itself, we serve it either tomato hot and spicy, or garlic cream. There's so many different variations. There's a place in Glendale who specializes in a different style. It's not Monty, it's called Khankali.
Khankali is our Georgian Armenian.
There you go. It's Georgian Armenians that make the Khankali. She wants to give everyone their credit. I guess that's the cool part of living here in Los Angeles, is that no matter where you go, you're able to find that traditional food that you're craving from back home.